My name is Mixel, and this is my son, Danto. Welcome to Craft Time. Today we'll be learning how to make some toilet paper roll planes. Stay tuned to learn some amazing facts. Are you ready?
Ready?
Let's begin.
Let's get started. Step 1. Paint the toilet rolls until completely covered with paint. Then allow them to dry standing up on the paper plate. Step 2. Paint each set of wings, the lollipop sticks or the craft sticks, then allow them to dry. Step 3. Glue one end of each toilet roll together to make the nose of the plane. Then press down until the glue dries. Step 4. For the wings of the plane, apply a thin line of glue across the middle part of the top of the toilet roll, and then press one of the craft or lollipop sticks into the glue. Turn the toilet roll over and do the same to the middle part of the bottom of the toilet roll. Try to line the sticks up so that the wings are lined up. Step 5. For the propeller of the plane, you need to cut one of the craft or lollipop sticks in half. Please be careful and ask Mommy or Daddy to help you. Then you can apply glue to one half of the lollipop sticks or the craft sticks and press them together to form an X. Step 6. Apply a drop of glue to the center of the nose of the plane. Then press the propeller into the glue and hold it until the glue dries. Step 7. To make the fin, draw the fin shape onto the craft foam sheet or the cardboard paper and then cut it out. If you want a colorful fin, then you can apply some paint of your choice. Step 8. Using the cutter or the scissor, cut a small line into the top of the back and a sloped end facing towards the front of the airplane. Remember, the back of the fin should be in line with the back of the toilet paper roll. Step 9. For the landing gear, turn the plane over and use the cutter or a sharp knife to poke 2 holes into the toilet roll, just behind the wing. Please remember to be careful and ask Mommy or Daddy to help you. Step 10. Cut one of the pipe cleaners in half so that there are 2 pieces per plane. These will be used for the wheels. Now, bend the end of each piece to form a little J. Wow! We are almost done! Step 11. Now, poke the other end of the landing gear piece, which is the J of the pipe cleaners, into the holes you made on the toilet paper rolls. Please adjust them so both the wheels are the same length. Step 12. The last step is to apply a dot of glue to the center of the propeller and then press the bead into the glue until it sets. This is a super fun plane craft for kids. What sound does an airplane make? Whoosh! Planes fly because they're able to generate a force called lift, which normally moves the plane upwards. Landing gear is the undercarriage of an aircraft or spacecraft and may be used for either takeoff or landing.
Thank you so much for watching. Did you enjoy making the paper plane? We hope you enjoyed making our toilet roll plane with us. Don't forget to like this channel and subscribe for more amazing crafts. We look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.